Welcome to this video on arrays in Java. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in contiguous memory locations and accessed by a common name. Arrays allow us to store and manipulate multiple values of the same type, making our code more efficient and easier to read. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we want to store a list of integers representing the ages of a group of people. We can do this using an array. Here's what the code looks like. In this code, we've declared an array called ages that stores 5 integers. We've initialized the array using an array initializer, which is the shortcut for assigning values to an array. The first value in the array is 25, the second value is 30, and so on. Each element in the array is stored in a contiguous memory location, which means that the memory addresses of the elements are consecutive. This makes it easier to access the elements of the array using a common name. We can access the elements of an array using their index. The index of the first element in the array is 0, the index of the second element is 1, and so on. Here's an example. In this code, we're accessing the third element in the ages array using its index, which is 2. The value of third age will be 35. We can also change the value of an element in the array using its index. Here's an example. In this code, we're changing the value of the fourth element in the ages array to 50. The new value of the array will be 25, 30, 35, 50, and 45. Arrays can be of different types, including integers, doubles, booleans, and objects. Here an example of an array of strings. In this code, we've declared an array called names that stores 5 strings. We've initialized the array using an array initializer, which is a shortcut for assigning values to an array. The first value in the array is Alice, the second value is Bob, and so on. So as you can see, arrays allow us to store and manipulate multiple values of the same type, making our code more efficient and easier to read. And by using indexes, we can access and modify the elements of an array. That's it for this video on arrays in Java. I hope you found this useful.